Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically blur out something that you want to hide on CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this image, and for instance I want to hide these texts over here. So simply just copy and paste that and go to the effects section, type in the word blur, and you're just going to apply it to your photo or video and just adjust it. Select your photo or video, then go to mask and select the horizontal one, or you can select the circle one depending on what you want to hide. Select reverse, and actually select rectangle. I don't know why I selected this one. Then I'm going to basically just zoom in a little bit to see which one I want to hide. Maybe like this one, and you can even feather it out just a little bit so it looks a little bit more natural. So as you can see, this is the part that we've blurred out and we've hidden. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.